how to fix Discord login error Captcha loop. If you're facing a Discord login error and you're seeing a constant loop whenever you're trying to log into your account, then in that case, instead of using your email, phone or password to log in, you can use this QR code on the right hand side. If you're logged in on the mobile app, just scan this QR code and you'll be able to log in instantly. Or you can select sign in with Passkey option to sign in using your Passkey. Otherwise, you simply have to be very careful on that particular Captcha that you're actually typing in. So if you're not sure of that, what you can do is you can just enter your current password, click the login button. It may say the password is invalid, so make sure to enter your password quite well. Now once you enter your password, you can see you'll be successfully logged in, but if you're seeing a Captcha, you'll find the option to request a new Captcha and see if that helps you. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.